Welcome to all of you in my class. I am sharing a PPT for you. Welcome again. I am Mr. Khire Yasri. Today we are going to study about Standard 9 Subject Maths 1. In that chapter number 1, sets, and the topic is methods of writing sets. In that practice set 1.1. So let's start sets. What is meant by sets? If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. Generally, the name of the set is given using capital letters A, B, C up to Z. A to Z, any capital letter you can use for writing the set, name of the set. The members or elements of the set are shown by using small letters A, B, C, D up to Z. The elements in the set can be written by using small letters from A to Z. If A is an element of set A, then we can write it as A belongs to A. And if A is not an element of set A, then we can write it as A does not belongs to A. Okay? Symbol belongs to and does not belongs to. Now we will see methods of writing sets. Before that we will see some set of numbers. Natural numbers n. N is set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is a set of natural numbers. W. The elements in the set are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is a set of whole numbers. I contains so on -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. This is a set of integers. Q is a set of rational numbers and R is a set of real numbers. Now methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets. In that first method is listing method, that is also called roster method. And the second method is rule method or set builder form. Now we will see examples in practice set 1.1. Write the following sets in roster form. Set of even natural numbers. Set of even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Suppose this is set A. A is a set of even natural numbers. Then set A contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. There is no limit. Uncountable and unlimited elements are there. This is set A, which is written in first method, listing method or roster form. Second is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Even prime numbers. There is only one even prime number, which is even. That is 2. And therefore, suppose set B contains element 2. 2 is only one even prime number. Set of negative integers. C is set of negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. All negative integers. 7 basic sounds of a sargam or sur. You know sargam is sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. D is a set of sa re ga ma pa dha ni. These are the 7 surs of sargam. Now question number 2 is write the following symbolic statements in words. 4/3 belongs to Q. You have to write out the given symbolic statement in words. It means 4/3 is an element of set Q. 4 upon 3 belongs to Q, means 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Similarly, minus 2 does not belongs to N, means minus 2 is not an element of set N. Third, set is given P and P is an odd number. You have to write down it in word. Set P is the set of all P such that P is an odd number. Symbolically we can write it as this, and in word we can read it as like this. Set P is the set of all P such that P is an odd number. Question number 3. Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. There are two methods of writing, listing method and rule method. Suppose N is the set having elements 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is set of natural numbers. Now same set can be written in rule method also, like this. N is set of X such that X is a natural number. Okay? Same set is there. Natural number, set of natural numbers. But first method is written in listing method and second is in rule method. Similarly, I is set of so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. These are the elements in set I. This is set of integers. I is set of Y such that Y is an integer. Same set is written in both the methods. Got it? Like this, you also write any set in using these two methods. Question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. All months in the Indian solar year. Months in the Indian solar year. Suppose A is set and the elements are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad or Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahayan or Margashirsh, Paush, Magh and Falgun. These are the 12 months in the Indian solar year. Letters in the word complement. Write down the set of letters in the word complement. Suppose X is the set. C, O, M, P, L, E, and again M is there. Then don't write 2 or 3 times. If there are same letters in the same word, then you have to write down only one time. Use one letter one time in the set. E is also repeated, N and T is there. Okay. Set of human sensory organs. Y is set of human sensory organs. Nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. These are the elements in set Y. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Z is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Prime numbers which have divisors 1 and the number itself only. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. This is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Names of continents of the world. Suppose E is the set of continents in the world. In Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. These are the 7 continents of the world. Question number 5 is write the following sets using rule method. A set A is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. The numbers are given. Observe these numbers first. Which are the numbers? Which numbers are there? Suppose A is set of X such that X is equal to N square. Yes. These are the complete squares from 1 to 10. So A is set of X such that X is equal to N square, where N belongs to N and N is less than or equal to 10. This is the condition. Up to 10 only, the squares of natural numbers from 1 to 10 only. Okay. Same set is written. This is listing method and second solution is in rule method. B is set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. These are the elements in set B. Write the given set in rule method. Set B is set of x such that x is equal to 6n. Means 6n means multiples of 6 and n belongs to n. N is less than 9. N are natural numbers which is less than 9, means 1 to 8 only. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42 and 6 8 is 48. C is set of some letters S, M, I, L, E. C is set of Y such that Y is a letter in the word smile. These are the letters in the word smile. D, set D having elements Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now we know these are the days in a week. Therefore set D is set of Z such that Z is a day of a week. In place of Z you can write any alphabet, any small letter alphabet A to Z. Okay. Fifth is X. Set X is A, E and T. These are the letters in the word eat, tea or eat also. Therefore X is set of Y such that Y is a letter in the word eat. We can write it as eat also, T also, T-E-A-T or ate, A-T-E, ate. Understood? This PPT is prepared by me. It's Mr. Khire Sandeep Vittal Rao. I am an assistant teacher at Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Thank you very much to all of you. So please again subscribe my channel Shikshan Mitra. Like and share my videos. Thank you very much to all of you. Thanks for joining my class.